Hello everyone. Today we will see the proof of midpoint theorem using GeoGebra. Now this topic I have taken from grade 9 mathematics of the chapter quadrilateral. Okay, in quadrilateral chapter you have a midpoint theorem, and the theorem says that the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Okay, so let's first draw a triangle. So here is my triangle, and the name of the triangle is ABC. Okay, now I am going to find out the midpoints of side AB and AC. Okay, both the sides I am going to find out the midpoint. So I have a ready-made tool available here which will give me the midpoint of the line segment. So my line AB midpoint is point D, and for AC the midpoint is point E, which is written here. Okay, now I am going to show the proof of it, which says that the line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle. See, I have taken the two sides AB and AC. The midpoint of AB is D. The midpoint of AC is E. Now I am going to join these midpoints using a line segment. Okay. So what it says, this line segment D, it should be parallel to the third side, which is BC, and DE should be equal to half of it. That's what I have written. Now I have to show that DE is parallel to BC and DE will be equal to half of BC. Now, to show that DE is parallel, we know that when two lines will be parallel to each other, we know this already, right? There are three criterias. If you can show that either corresponding angles are equal, or alternate interior angles are equal, or co-interior angle are supplementary. If any one of the thing, if you show it, then we can say that the two lines will be parallel. So here, to show DE parallel to BC, what I will do, I will try to find out these angles EDA and CBA. I will see the measure of these two angles. If these two measure of the angle will be equal, it means they are the corresponding angle. Then these two lines DE and BC will be parallel. So let's measure this. So let's measure first angle EDA. So when I'm measuring it, the measure is 57.99. Now I'm going to measure the another angle, which is C, B and A, and here also I am getting it as 57.99. It means my corresponding angles are equal. Now if corresponding angles are equal, then DE will be parallel to BC. So my first part of the proof is done. Now moving to another part, it says that the measure of DE will be half of BC. So let's find the measure of DE. Okay, so the measure of DE is 5.5. Okay, it is written here, and the measure of BC is 11. Now 5.5 into 2, if you do, you will get 11 only. So this is also correct. DE is half of BC. So from here I can say that the line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle will parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Now let's change the size of this triangle and see still it is following or not. So you can see all the criteria are still fulfilled, whatever direction I am doing. Okay, the line DE and BC is parallel and the DE is half of BC. Okay, so it will satisfy for all the type of triangles. So that's all for today's class. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.